man.
Take two. We're doing it on the Nexus. I was gonna say EDO Pro. Back with Subduels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to join the EDO Pro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Alright, you ready? I'm ready. Dude!
Hmm?
Oh, that's not the right button. Dude! Take two because Ace Commander's deck was invalid. He had like two foolish burials.
2 foolish burials, and basically it was freaking messy.
Is that possible in OCG?
I think foolish burial is actually is basically at 2 though. I think for OCG, I think.
Oh, he's
I'd
going
have to look.
first. Or is he going first? I'm using the Dragoon Turbo. Version
Yep.
1. Is that me?
Yep, you're going first.
Oh, hold on here. Music.
Yep, let me mute it. I
Oh,
got
okay,
it.
that's yours. Where do I?
Yeah, that's my end.
Okay.
There you go.
Main phase
Helps out with
1.
less copyright.
Sacred Swords of 7 stars. Oh, I could have already went for what's it called? Damn it! Wow. Yeah, I think I could have went for. I could have linked off there, but tribute Red Eyes from Hand or Field, which Red Eyes Baby Dragon for Red Eyes Alternative Black Dragon. And Ternendo. It's first time dueling
Alright.
today. What about you, Ace Commander?
Similar to me, man.
Alright.
Similar to me.
Hey, they changed the sleeves for Dueling Nexus.
Yeah, they updated a lot of it. I could see they did. Let's see here. Normal summon out this. Summon out to the field. Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak. Special summon. Phantom Knights of Shade Burgundy. Let's see here. Oh, I can actually his effect. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, that's right. You can target one. Nope, I don't need to do. I'm not basically gonna put it in defense. Let's see here. Link is his summon with these two. Go into Nightmare Cerberus. Cerberus' effect. Discarding. Say goodbye to your monster.
That destroy?
Yep.
Target one special summon monster, then destroy it. Oh, no. Oh, Red Eyes Alternative is.
Yep, you still gotta use its graveyard effect, which basically lets you special amount of Red Eyes monster.
From the grave, it looks like, yeah. Let me read it again. In your graveyard. Except. Oh, okay. Alright.
Yep. Use the effect of I'm gonna use the effect of Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak. Banish it. Adding to my hand a Phantom Knights as a card. I'm going to add to my hand Phantom Knights of Tier Scale. One of the brand new Phantom Knights out of Phantom Rage.
You know what?
Called by the Grave.
Call by the grave. Since if you're gonna use
My
glove.
boot. Yep. So that's good. Alright, so you got my gloves. So basically, let's see here. Battle phase. Attack.
Baby. I get the special.
Yep. Baby flare. Yep.
Black flare.
Red Eyes flare.
And
Yep,
then
black flare.
do I attach it? Oh, it gets attached.
And I will now, let's see here.
Gains 300.
Your go.
Dragon monster from your deck to my hand. Oh, wow. That's cool.
If only Rusty was not banned. That's the only thing. This deck would be definitely doing some good if Rusty was not banned.
Red Eyes Fusion activate.
Let's see here. No, I'm not going to do that yet. That's good enough for right now. You're good to go.
From the deck, a Dark Magician and Red Eyes Black Dragon. Yugioh Shokan. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. It changed its name. What the fuck? You cannot target Dark Dragoon.
I can't target either one of them. That's what I'm trying to wonder. I thought maybe I could target the freaking flame.
Why can't you
I
target?
thought maybe I could target flame. I can only target my monster. That's all I could do. That sucks.
I don't know why you could target one effect. Oh, because a Black Flare Dragon is a Gemini and it's still a normal.
Yeah. That's what I started thinking about.
Yeah. I'll negate that with Dragoon. And it'll increase.
Thank you for doing that, dude. Because now let's see here.
It gains 1,000. And I get the destroy effect. If you had 2 monsters, I would have been able to destroy. What?
There you go. Phantom Sword's effect. When a monster is being destroyed by monster card effect, you can, you know. Yeah.
Well, luckily I did Red Eyes and Dark Magician.
Yeah, you use this secondary effect. You're good.
Yeah. What the heck is this?
What card effect are you activating?
Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. I was gonna normal summon Black Flare, but it wouldn't let me. So. Black Flare, direct attack.
That's an OT, I think that is.
Dark Dragoon.
Yeah, it's game. Use your monsters at 4K.
Not so fast.
That's an OTK for you.
Let me just banish your Nightmare Cerberus. Finish him.
Alright, game 2.
I need to work on my side deck here. I need to end the extra deck as well. I want 3 Dark Dragoons.
Are you siding?
No side.
Hello? Oh.
No side. No sides for me.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Alright, let's see here. Notice about this.
You. don't know if you can hear me. What happened to the voice? Ace Commander, can you hear me? What the? Yo. I don't know what's going on.
Launches. Let's see here. Should I get a pen? Launch. Yeah. Let's go for fall day.
Right, Steven. He's gonna ash me? Oh, yeah. How about a grip? Oh, that's from the deck. I want to do from the deck. Yugioh. Then. Huh. Dragoon's effect, battle, attack, and third undo. It's gonna activate, and I will negate, discard. Summoned an attack. Dragoon destroy, I'll take 6. Oh. What was this card do? Hand or deck. I could have did this yesterday.
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me? Another Dragoon. Deck and deck. Not necessary, but let's go for it. Dragoon. Finish him. And that's it. Comment, share, sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.